Unbelievable. My dear, it's happening. Oh, you'll be shocked when you hear the news. By the way, compliments of the season. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Demands are being made of Muhammadu Buhari, the federal government of today, Buhari's led administration, of what should happen on how this country can be kept safe. Let's dive straight into the news and get all the details. 2021 allows soldiers keep beard, wear hijab. Islamic group makes 6 demand from Buhari's government. Hey, I told you you'll be shocked, right? I told you. Say you should allow the soldiers to keep beard. Until Buhari leaves, we don't know how far Nigeria would have gone on. Allow them keep beards. We know that, yes, your religion is your personal, private, whatever you want to do. But I don't think it should become a national, because we are operating a democratic setting where people have freedom of rights, freedom of religion, and should be able to do what they want to do, so long as they are not breaking the law, so long as they are not hurting another human being. Let's understand all going on. The Mosaic Rights Council, Mosaic, has demanded that all governments and grievances on, according to the Mosaic, addressing these grievances will bring an end to religious violence. There's no religious violence in Nigeria, in case you don't know, which it said was caused by the denial of their foundational human rights in the country. The group also referred to the 6 relief being given to them by the Nigerian government in the New Year's message signed by its director, Isiaq Akintola, and made available to Daily Post on Saturday. Mosaic wants the federal government to recognize the Hijjah holiday, recognize Islamic marriage, Friday holiday, question acceptance of corpse, turban, hijab, and bound for identity card, driving license, and international traveling passports, acceptance of beard in uniformed organization like the Army, Police, NYC, etc., and finally establishment of Sharia law in all states where there is significant number of the religious people. Mosaic said that Nigerian Muslims want the government to address these 6 grievances, which, according to Akintola, they have listed during the year 2020, but the government failed to attend to any of the requests. Professor Akintola-led group said it believed that the war against the B-boys has not been won because the president-led had not admitted and carried out technical issues that relate to them. Mosaic said that the government's dependency on the use of force was not yielding the desired result, adding that as soldiers battle insurgents in the field, there must also be genuine dialogue with the Muslim leaders and groups in the country. He went on to reveal that the large units of their foundation members are willing to start all this as soon as the government comply. Mosaic said there was the possibility that some of their people who are already engaged knows what is going on and ready, and will introduce the reform as soon as the government yield to their 6-point agenda. But a situation where their demand is not met and they are being ignored every day will lead to further destabilization of what is happening in the country. The presentation was given as a strict warning to the Buhari's-led administration. So my people, you heard it all. So this group is asking, you heard what he said. I don't want to use some of the words because it's not YouTube compliant, and they will not accept such. However, they are saying Friday should become holiday in Nigeria. Your international passport should be banned. states should begin to, don't you think that is where the religious fight will start in this country? You don't even understand what's going on. This is how they spoke about Ruga. Buhari came into administration, and the first thing on his agenda was to establish places for Fulani herdsmen. And the thing I don't understand is, why aren't you fair? Go around and say every state should not prepare a place, not just for Fulani herdsmen. No. Every other tribe should have a quarter in each of the 36 states. So why they've been moving around and nobody has hindered them until they've turned themselves to, the set of people that they are now, committing atrocity in the country. Things are like this. Things are the way they are today because of Muhammadu Buhari, honestly speaking. He gave them the rights. He opened the door. And where Nigeria is now is as a result of Muhammadu Buhari. So this is what they are trying to do to Nigeria, to turn this country into one of their country, where people walk on the streets and there will be no freedom. People begin to do what they like and misbehave. You remember the other time when you were talking about, children getting involved in marriage very early. This was the same man. You need to listen to how he was speaking. By the way, he's a professor, but it sounds so delusional, like on a more serious note. Will you give your 7-year-old child out in marriage? But you said it should not stop in the north. And that's, this is what Buhari's government has allowed. He came into government and he told the north that, yes, Nigeria belongs to them. They should not allow anybody to tell them what to do. He told, not just the north, he told the Fulani herdsmen. He said, yes, Nigeria belongs to them. And you could see that immediately they changed. You could see how they began to relate with Nigerians. Very hostile. Fulani herdsmen were a set of peaceful people who go about, they are growing up. We used to see them carry their cattle. They come, we say, Mankadede, we greet them. We don't even know what we are saying, but we just know we are communicating some kind of, greetings. And they will accord you, say hello to you, and they'll move on. But as soon as Buhari, words are powerful, told them that they should take over, that Nigeria belongs to them, see the repercussion. This group have started their own. With all that is going on, this is the most important issue in Nigeria as of today. God will help you guys. Leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. Bye for now.